5 major development location of North Bangalore. Welcome everybody, welcome to Excel Prop. So let us start today's video, and in this video we'll be discussing about 5 major location where you can invest. You will get the good returns the next 5 to 7 years of horizon if you're looking. And it took a little bit of time for us to figure out, do some of the analysis, and we thought to bring this information and put across the table to our viewers. And of course, see, every individual has his own like way of doing the surveys, and this is what we have done a little bit of hard work to get you a good option which will give you return for sure. So to begin with, the first location which is definitely a good good location for investment is KADB Aerospace Park, number 1. So KADB is located exactly in between. I mean, this location has the access to Whitefield. I mean, not to the Whitefield, basically to East Bangalore and North part of Bangalore. So that is the reason why we thought to select this location as number 1 location. The next, we have got the Shettigere area as the number 2 location. So Shettigere and Sadahallì, both we would like to add it. Shettigere and Sadahallì, again a developing location where most of the top builders have already come up. If you look out, the metro connectivity is very nice, and the metro construction is happening. The malls are getting constructed. The IT companies and even the R&D companies are getting constructed on the Bellary Highway or on the Hyderabad main road or NH 44 or 46, yeah, on this highway which connects to the Devanahalli or the airport. Again, that's number 2 location. So number 3, we have it took a little bit of time for us to decide which one will be number 3. That is Devanahalli, everybody. So Devanahalli has got a good potential, and that is where, and Devanahalli is not a village anymore now. It's a proper developing location, and it's a proper town now. If those who have already seen Devanahalli, so the moment you enter Devanahalli area, you will feel this is not at all a village at all. So village is somewhere where you have the huts and the agriculture work will be going on. No, so Devanahalli is completely developed. You have the hospitals there, you have the malls there, the shopping centers I'm talking about. You have got, I think, Decathlon or DMart, even that is also there. And the only what we are missing here is more of the residential apartment projects. So I think that will also come up very soon in future. So the next, we have the fourth option. Fourth option will be your IVC road and the STRR road. So IVC road and STRR road, both we have decided to put it on 4th, because from Devanahalli to Doddaballapura town, here we have got the developments of ITAR. We have got a lot of major developments which will be happening. IVC road, if you look out, a lot of like knowledge parks are coming from developers, and most of the developers have already started buying the big land parcels, and the road work also is also going very, very high. That is number 4. Number 5, the last location will be, again, I don't know how many viewers will be convinced by this, but this is, I personally believe, like, this area will give you returns specifically on the rental part. If you look out, that is Nandi Hills area, everybody. So Nandi Hills, again, a tourist spot. We are thinking in terms of the rental investment, right? Let's say if you're buying a property here, a land parcel I'm talking about, for whatever pricing, if you just construct G+1 or G+2 structure and rent it out to Airbnb, that's more than enough. So you will get the good rentals here, but project has to be good. You have to make sure that you're choosing a right product in Nandi Hills. That also matters a lot, everybody. That's it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching our video, and now it's your turn. Just comment us below which is your favorite location for investment in North Bangalore. Stay safe, have a nice day.